This is my first ride on the bike since my accident. So the guys are going to actually replace the beam that's in the middle there. Guys, wear your fucking helmet. 100, 800, 280 on, no, 280 on Lazada for this one. 280. So don't worry, I get this one myself. 280. They don't have the parts here, nothing's available. At Bohol, I didn't show you because it was kind of boring. Every place we went to had nothing. So let's have a look what we got. Baking soda in there. I'm going to put in some white vinegar.
Whoa.
Check this out guys. This is living in Philippines down by the beach. What I'll do in the next video is I'm going to clear all the rust off the frame. I'm going to respray the frame. And then I'm going to try and put all the panels back on. Anyway. Talong and I are going to give the bike a run. So we need to pull all the panels off this side to actually see what it looks like and probably get at some of that rust. Alright. So the important part here is, see this bit here? On the other side is broken. I'll show you in a minute. This one's broken, this one's broken. This one I straightened a little bit. We need to touch it. There's rust everywhere. Vinegar and soda to try and take some of this rust off. And I don't know, we'll give it a go. See here, this one I need to fix. This one's okay, I bent it back up. But this one here needs to be straightened up a little bit to look like that. It's a pretty big job, but I mean once we get this rust off, it should be pretty easy after that.
What is that, Dad?
Well, this is hopefully going to take some of this rust off.
It's getting off, Dad.
I know. It's good, huh? You can see here where the steel's coming through from the rust, which is kind of amazing. Some of this was really badly rusted and already we've got down to the steel. So it's just white vinegar and a little bit of bicarb soda or baking soda or something.
The scrubbing thing, Dad.
The scrubbing thing?
Yes, thank you.
Wow.
Is that like up right there?
Yeah, it is. It's, yeah. You know the toothbrush?
You have that brush then, the finger thing? Lagi ko ano. Hindi, huwag ka.
I had it.
It's too hard for you, Dad?
Yeah, we can't get in there. There were big chunks of rust on this, and they've come off now. Still a little bit of rust, bit of surface rust, but look at the rust underneath. Look at all of this. So we're going to paint it with like a red anti-rust stuff that they use on all the steel here, like on the coasts over there. So we're going to use that. Actually, this stuff. This is red steel anti-rust paint. We're going to be using that on the bike. Yeah, it's going to be red for a while. That'll be funny. Need to give it all a good clean now. give you a little bit of an idea. Look at this. That was pretty rusty. We're going to dry it all off, and then we're going to paint it with red lead, as I told you before. But this is the main side. The first side I took off. Look at all of this. You can see that most of that rust has been taken off. It's really good. And I'm pretty sure that with a little bit of elbow grease and, you know, a little bit more work, we could probably get rid of all of that rust if we really wanted to. So it's pretty helpful. First we put red on top just to clean, keep the rust away. Just paint all of it red. It doesn't matter, we'll fix it later. Maybe I'll leave it red.
I've been working for the weekend, but that weekend never came. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? Yeah, it's 7 a.m. and I can't seem to keep my eyes shut. Even if I get up, even if I get beat down, will I be fine? Nah, 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 nah. If I do my time, nah, 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 nah. I guess I'll sleep when I'm dead. I've been working for the weekend, but that weekend never came. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? I've been going off the deep end, my sanity's at stake. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? If I break my back today. You know, I was broke, well, I still am. Mama said if you don't work, it might hit the fan. I got it, I'm on my money guard, I'm digging the bands. You cannot find me in the club unless I'm saving the sand. Cause I'm a work, kahale. And a guap, pahale. They say I got a problem, I believe in money trees. I've been working on the weekend to cop a spot and believe, yeah. Will you stick by, na 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 na? Will I do my time, na 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 na? I guess we'll hang when I'm dead. I've been working for the weekend.
As I said, we didn't get all the rust, but we got a lot of it, so hopefully it's enough. It won't hit the paint. We have a very naked looking bike, which you could probably ride like that, to be honest, because you've got the foot pegs there, but that'd hurt going through you. Very naked looking. And next we just have to put all the panels together. Put it all on. That's going to be fun. What do you think what I'm doing this morning? We're going to spray paint the bike. You may remember that we did this to the bike recently. So now it's just a matter of colouring it all back in.
I know it's black.
You knew it was black?
Yeah.
What other colour would it be?
Oh, that's pink.
That weekend never came. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? I've been going off the deep end, my sanity's at stake. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? If I break my back today.
That looks alright, hey? Comes up as basically new. A couple of little spots I missed. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be covered by the plastic, all the plastic covers.
I've been working for the weekend.
So the second side is done now. It looks like new. We'll give it a few moments to dry. It's pretty quick drying this stuff. It says just in a few minutes it'll be touch dry, but we're putting all the casings on it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Nola?
Lola.
Who's Lola? Wyatt?
Yeah.
Husband.
Her husband.
No, I never met him. He passed away before I met him. Before I could meet him.
Oh, bye-bye.
Your dad.
Oh, yeah, Lolo.
Uh-huh.
I would like to have met him though.
Me also.
Yeah, I think he would have been a nice guy. I think me and him would have got on well. All these scratches I'll sand back a little bit and then we're going to put some orange decals on. Look at that, looks good already. So, well, that was easy. Do manly things like fix a motorbike. Manly.
Well,
Well, this is the old side. Better than it did.
did you spray it?
The black? Yeah, have a look on the other side. Look. See, that's all the black, all the red's been coloured in now, so it's fine. And I was saying, this is what I want to get the orange for. I was going to sand all that back and spray it, but I was thinking if I get the orange decals, I can sand it back, make a template, and cover it all in orange. And it'll look really good because it'll stand out like dog's balls. Help me along. I did buy a new bike. Yeah. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? This is the last part of the bike. The bike is basically finished now. We've got all the panels on. Haven't fixed the scratches on it yet. There's Talong in the background. He's my apprentice, right? I'm thinking of getting the bike resprayed in certain parts, and I've been quoted 2,500 pesos, which is really cheap. But we've got the new foot mats in. You can see these. Ooh. Right. Look at the front on the bike. It's got a bit of a clean up. You can still see scratches and things on it. It is looking 100% on what it did before. Again, new foot mats, bit of a clean up, and one mirror. Why have we only got one mirror? Because the other one kind of broke. Good job. We're done. I would like to say that we completed all the work, but I went and saw some nice guys at AA Moto Hub, not Porn Hub, Moto Hub, right? Who, see, I call it Moto Hub, I say Porn Hub because my friend over here, Talong, he knows Porn Hub very well, but not so much Moto Hub. But anyway, my friends Kevin at Moto Hub helped me put the last of it together. I actually went over just to buy the screws, but they ended up putting it all together. They found the screws, found all the parts, and one of the guys just went and put the body panels on. They also gave me a new hand grip on the other bike. They put a new light in the other bike, did all of this work, and it was 500 pesos. I mean, I can't argue with it, that was amazing. So I did complete 90% of the work, but the guys over there at Motor Hub did do the other 10% and help my other bike. Very happy with it, it looks really good.
That weekend never came. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today? I've been working for the weekend. That weekend never came. Will you pat my back tomorrow if I break my back today?